Welcome students. Chapter 2 Part 5 Dual Behavior of Matter De Broglie Equation. According to this, matter like radiation possess dual behavior, that is wave nature as well as particle nature. This means that photons, electrons possess both momentum as well as wavelength. De Broglie gave the following relation between wavelength lambda and momentum p of a material particle. Lambda is equal to hmv. mv is equal to p. Then lambda is equal to hp. Now derivation of de Broglie equation. For a photon of light of frequency, we use Einstein mass energy relation, which is PC, where E is energy, P is momentum, C speed of light. From Planck's equation for wave nature of light, E is equal to h nu. Nu is equal to C lambda. E is equal to hc lambda. Comparing the two equations, hc lambda is equal to Pc. Lambda is equal to hp. De Broglie suggested the above equation is a general one that applies to material particle as well as to photons. So P is equal to mv. De Broglie wavelength becomes lambda is equal to hmv. Let us try to solve some numericals based upon the above formulas. One numerical has been solved for you. If velocity of electron in the microscope is 1.6 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second, calculate de Broglie wavelength. You can use formula lambda is equal to hmv. Put all the values. Calculations of lambda will come out to be 0.4 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. There are two questions, question number 2 and 3. For your practice, try to solve the numericals. And one question which is of different type has been solved. Calculate mass of photon with wavelength 3.6 angstrom. Angstrom is firstly changed into meter by multiplying 10 raised to power minus 10. Now use the formula lambda is equal to hmc or m is equal to h lambda c. Putting all the values, value of mass comes out to be 6.135 into 10 raised to power minus 29 kilogram. Now, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. According to this, it is impossible to determine simultaneously the exact position and exact momentum or velocity of an electron. So this relation is given by delta x into delta p is greater than equal to h upon 4 pi. You can put value of p. P is mv. As m is always fixed, you will change v as delta v. Delta means change. Delta x means uncertainty in position. Delta v is uncertainty in velocity. So formula is delta x into delta v is greater than equal to h upon 4 pi m. Significance of uncertainty principle. It rules out definite paths or orbits of electrons and other similar particles. This principle is significant only for microscope objects like electrons and negligible for macroscopic objects. Let us again solve some questions based upon uncertainty principle. There is one question. If the position of electron is measured with accuracy of 0.002 nanometer, calculate uncertainty in momentum of electron. It's very easy. Actually, it has been solved on the screen. Just try to first solve by yourself and then check from the already sort out. Question number 2. A microscope using suitable photon is employed to locate an electron in an atom within a distance of 0.1 angstrom. what is the uncertainty involved in the measurement? It means you have to calculate delta V. In this question, again, you have to apply formula of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Quantum mechanical model. Bohr's concept of well-defined circular orbitals was discarded after de Broglie and Heisenberg's uncertainty principle was established. Then came concept of quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is the theoretical science that deals with the study of motion of microscopic objects that have both particle and wave nature. And quantum mechanics is based upon a relation called Schrodinger equation, which is H psi is equal to E psi. H is mathematical operator. The total energy of system takes into account the kinetic energies of all the subatomic particles, attractive potentials between the electrons and nuclei, and repulsive potential amongst the electrons and nuclei. So, hope you have taken into account all the topic. Try to recapitulate the topic over and over again. Try to make class notes. Thank you so much.